Hi everyone, we are the Omegas company and today we will talk about the decision of our company. Next week. Well, first we have the definition of strategies. On the one hand, we have the sales. There are two groups. First is current customers who helped us in a long time with many sales and also they helped us reach our goals. The second point is about new customers in where we had to do a strategic marketing in our products, price, promotion, and distribution. An important point to mention is that our customer is from the segment called innovative, so they don't care the price of the product, just want to quality of it. And in the other hand, we have the cost. In the quality, we want to improve it and do the differentiation of the product. In the production process, we want to work with efficiency. Next, please.
Strategic Analysis Canvas. Key partner. Our main partner are our raw material supplier for our technology products and our investment partners. Key activities. The increase of industrial technology and innovation in our products must be carried out. Key resource. These are the skilled labor of our staff, the quality of the raw material, and high industrial technology. Value proposition. Our product portfolio has the best production process and the quality of the raw material. Customer relationship, offering quality products at a good price to meet the needs of our consumers. Channels, the company has a long distribution channels, customer segments. We are currently focused on serving two segments of which are innovative and conservative. Cost structures, the most important cost that the company has are skilled labor and raw material. Revenue streams or sources of income is mainly due to the sale of Domogar, Pequelectro, and Tecnopersa. Next, please.
Crossbooks. I am going to present the crossbook. For the beginning, I am going to talk about the confrontation matrix. About SO strategy, we have to take advantage of our production capacity with a state of the technology to diversify our product portfolio to meet the demands of new market. And then about W of strategy, we have made a long-term London acquisition and implementation of new factory. About ST strategy, we say the increase of the occupancy rate of our factory with leads to cost reduction and face new competitors that enter the market with low price. About WT strategy is import increase promotion, spend be identifying segment to attract new customer on some that demand increases. Next.
Strategic analysis strategic objectives. Achieve sustained year-over-year growth in sales of 12%. Increase the value of the company, increase income by 10%, improve the efficiency of the 7 organizational areas, increase our net profit by 12%, achieve first place in the competition. Next, please.
Well, in the income projection versus real, we had a project total revenue with 156,668,336 income. And this was divided into current market and new markets. In current market, we have Japan with these incomes that we can watch in the screen. And new markets, we have more than the last one. There are USA and Canada, South America, and Western European Union. Next, please. Russian and non-Europe. Next, please. China and India, and well, as we can watch into the screen, in each of one, there are its project units and its average unit prices. Next, please. Now about sales, costs, and benefits. As we can watch in the screen, the company has obtained sustained growth in these indicators due to the decisions made as a team, for example, entering new markets, increasing prices, increasing technology, innovation, and promotion budgets. This has influenced to obtain the desired final result with a growth of 51 0.94% with reference to 2022 in sales. In cost, we had a result with a growth of 28% with reference to 2023. And finally, in benefits, we had a result with a growth of 46.68% with reference to 2023. Next. About gap analysis sales, the largest gap as it can watch is due to Japanese market, since it was the market where the companies began operation, and it was decided to strengthen the market with an increase in the marketing budget level of our technology and innovation to satisfy the demands of our customers. Next, please. And about expenditure gap analysis. In marketing spending, new markets have been increasing in each period, and new budget has had to be allocated progressively, which had a positive effect and impact on our level of sales. Next.
Well, about marketing decisions, the digital marketing area within the development of the Omega company was being one of the main pillars. The main decisions made in strategic marketing were the differentiation strategy. With this, we have been able to attract, recognize, and retain our customers. Likewise, generate a budget for marketing and promotion expenses. This in order to meet the goal of increasing sales by 10% in each period. We also have the focus on the client of the segment of conservatives and innovators. Marketing was focused on this segment since that appreciate much more quality and innovation of our products. Finally, we have the product innovation, and this implies constant innovation according to what the client requires. Next, please.
About production and operation decisions. In the 2022 period, the company increased its production level due to entering a new market and above all, due to a progressive increase in the level of sales. As we see in the board, also in Technopresso, it was decided to produce 112,860 units, in PEC Electro 370,352 units, and last Domogar 51,956 units. Market share by companies. The company seeks to position itself as number one in the market share, which is why we have a different budget. It's allocated for each market. Depending on the level of sales, the level of investment in spending on innovation, marketing, and commercial logistics, it's given. Also, it is in the third place, which in the previous period didn't obtain the expected results, which is causing a negative impact. Next.
In finance decision, we have considered three main decisions that led us to grow over time. One of them is in 2021 with investment in factories such as Mexico, where the goal was to enter in the USA and South American markets due to the proximity and low cost in logistics transport. In 2023, a factory was opened in China to be able to complete with price according to the market, closing the investment in 2004 with our factory in Spain, since it had a stake in the market in Western in Europe and Russia. In second point, another important decision is to improve the market in product value, where investment was made in product design, increase it to the level innovation in order to increase our demand. In 3 point, the last but not least, our investment is improving brand value, which is where the company invests an average of 6% of total revenue to the views to improve the brand of our products.
Learning and conclusions. We conclude that making a budget for each period guarantees the company to have the spending result as well as the definition of the generic strategy to define our market segment. As a second conclusion, the company was successful because it was able to see its weak points and use its opportunities and strengths to be able to change weaknesses into strengths. It is recommended to carry out an exhaustive analysis of the indicator for efficient decision making for the company, which leads to obtaining the desired results. On the other hand, it is recommended to carry out a control on the indicator which guarantees as if we are applying to a strategy where to reach our objective.
How the team is satisfied with the chosen strategy and why? Yes, we are satisfied with this strategy because it was possible to generate great profitably higher sales and a larger public. Thank you.